Given that z equals 2 times the quantity cosine of 17 pi over 36 plus I times sine of 17 pi over 36, and w equals 3 times the quantity cosine of 11 pi over 90 plus I times sine of 11 pi over 90, find w divided by z. Write the answer in polar form and in exponential form. We can write w over z as 3 times the quantity cosine of 11 pi over 90 plus I times sine of 11 pi over 90, all over 2 times the quantity cosine of 17 pi over 36 plus I times sine of 17 pi over 36. Euler's formula allows us to rewrite the complex numbers in exponential form. We have 3e raised to I times 11 pi over 90 all over 2e raised to I times 17 pi over 36. Use the law of exponents to rewrite the fraction as 3 halves times e to the quantity I times the quantity 11 pi over 90 minus 17 pi over 36. Subtract the exponents to get 3 halves times e to the quantity I times negative 7 pi over 20. Use Euler's formula to write the exponential form in polar form as 3 halves times the quantity cosine of negative 7 pi over 20 plus I times sine of negative 7 pi over 20. The argument must be between 0 and 2 pi. Use the reference angle to rewrite this as 3 halves times the quantity cosine of 33 pi over 20 plus I times sine of 33 pi over 20. This is the polar form of the quotient w over z. Now we can convert this to the exponential form, which is 3 halves times e to the quantity I times 33 pi over 20.